Hey there! How to create YouTube Shorts for free. Let me tell you right away that you don't need any fancy software. You don't even need a video to create YouTube Shorts video. All you need is a Canva, a free account, and you need a bunch of images. And within the Canva, the free account, you can leverage their features. You can make the images move, and you can even make some transitions between these images. So at the end, the YouTube Shorts looks like a nice, good-looking video. Let me show you how you can do that. So if you don't have a Canva account, you can just sign up using your email address and choose the Canva free. Over here, just click on Create a Design, go to YouTube Shorts, and within the Canva, the images, they call them pages. This page is by default 5 seconds long. So this will be our baseline. We will be adding a few more images over here. I'll show you how you can move the images and how you can transition between them. And also I'll show you how to add the voiceover, and you can decide for yourself whether you want to use your own voice. You can record it and add it over here. Or if you don't like your own voice, you can leverage the software called 11labs.io, where you can sign up and choose your voice or language and type whatever you want, and the software will generate the voice. So let's start at the beginning. And let's assume that our topic is a coffee, specifically how to make a coffee without a coffee machine. For that purpose, you're gonna need some assets like the images. I have already downloaded some images. You could use stock images, free stock images, or you can also use your own images. Once you downloaded the images, you can just take them, drag and drop them over here. And once you have them over here in the uploads folder, you will take the image one by one and add them into the pages. If you don't like the sequence, you can move just by dragging and dropping at the position you prefer. So let me just add these images over here. So as you see, we have a sequence of images. Each page is 5 seconds long. This can be adjusted as you wish by simply sliding this to 3 seconds, or you can even make it longer. See? You can even use the timing over here, or you can even type the number. You can push the play button to see how the video will look like. We see that there is no movement at all. So let's change that, and let's start with the first image. Let's click on the first image, and over here there is this option animate, and we have a lot of combination over here you can choose. There are some basic ones, some exaggerated ones, and also some photo movements. Let's use the first one. Regarding the second image, once you have chosen your favorite movement, let's double check it how it looks like. Let's make this a bit shorter. Let's continue. Let's make this shorter as well. This doesn't move. Let's use ABC. So now when our images are moving, we want to also add some transitions. The way we do it is, it couldn't be any simpler. You just hover your mouse between these pages, and you can even add the page if you wanted to add some image, or you can delete it. Or while hovering between those two pages, you can, besides adding the page, you can add the transition. And on the left hand side we see what options we have. It could be a color wipe between second and third. Let's add the stack between third page and fourth And fourth page, let's add the, let's say, flow. Let me zoom out a bit and let's play it again. See, this moves up, transition, movement, transition, slight movement, transition. So as we see, the final result is not perfect, but for the sake of this video, I believe it's enough to show you the features within the Canva, like the movement of the image and the transition between them. One thing that is missing is the voiceover. So as I mentioned at the beginning, you can either upload your own voice and add it over here, or you can generate the voice using an AI. And let's say you don't know what to talk about and you're not sure how to come up with a proper transcript. For that purpose, let's use the ChatGPT, and I have already some prompts ready. So the prompt could be, I'm about to create a YouTube short. The topic is coffee, and a specific topic would be how to make coffee without machine. Can you help me to create such a video? And also suggestion of 3-4 images I can use. The thing is, these images will be within the video. They'll be moving and transition between them, so it will look like a basic simple video. And here we go. ChatGPT came up with the script and a storyboard and transition suggestions and image suggestions. I was not happy about it, so I asked him to recreate a video, and because I didn't have specifically those images that he suggested over here, I asked him to rewrite the script using the images I have. That's right over here, and he came up with the transcript. As we see, the transcript contains also some suggestions and sections and the name of the sections, but for the purpose of the generating voice, we just need the transcript itself. That's why I told him I want to have the script only, so I can copy and paste it to the speech software. And here it goes. He came up with the transcript only, which I can copy and I can paste it over here. If you're not logged into the event labs, I suggest to do so. Without being signed up, you only have a limitation of 333 characters. And with the 11 labs free account, you have limitations up to 10,000 characters per month. So once you paste your text over here, you can generate a speech and then you can download the video. Once you have the file downloaded, simply drag and drop it in Canva. Again, it'll be in the uploads folder. I have it over here twice. And here within the Canva, you just simply drag and drop it over here. You see there is a drop music section where you can paste it. You can slightly move it at the beginning and you can play the video.
Want to make a perfect cup of coffee without a machine? Here's how. All you need is ground coffee, hot water.
Once you are satisfied with it, you can go to Share, Download, MP4 video. I say download. Once you are okay with the result and you're happy with that, you can upload it into YouTube Shorts. Make sure the length is 59.5 seconds at max. Basically, YouTube Shorts cannot be longer than 1 minute. Just make sure to have the video under 60 seconds. So that's the advantage of Canva, or the free account Canva, where you can create a YouTube Shorts. What could be a little bit annoying is the subtitles. You would have to go to the text and for each page add the subtitles and the text. The good thing is that we have some text over here generated, but adding the subtitles within the Canva could be a little bit time consuming, so Canva might not be the perfect tool for creating YouTube Shorts, but for the beginners and for people that don't have a budget yet for a more sophisticated software, I believe it's a great tool to use. I personally didn't know about the Canva either. I just learned about Canva and how can you do the YouTube Shorts using Canva within the Wealthy Affiliate. That's the educational platform I am a member of. And I have just showed you a short segment of 5 webinars that are available within the Wealthy Affiliate platform. These webinars cover a lot more that I have just showed you, and it starts with the basic of YouTube Shorts, how long the short can be, we already know that, how you can monetize the YouTube Shorts. The second class is regarding what you need for the YouTube Shorts, how to create movement within the graphics that I already showed you. YouTube Shorts continues with class 3, 4, and 5 that covers building YouTube Shorts content plan, how to read your YouTube analytics, and how to build a faceless YouTube short channel. Each class has about 40 to 50 minutes, and it is very useful for people that just starting with a YouTube. Well, I hope you found this helpful. If you have questions regarding YouTube Shorts, let me know in the comment section below. I'll be happy to provide you with the feedback, and thank you for watching, and have a good one, and see you in the next video.